Join me today as we draw Mario's Shy Guy into the cream of an Oreo cookie. Hello everyone, Kitslam here, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we're going to explore some Oreo artwork, and we'll open that in just a moment. I thought I would quickly show you guys some of the previous Oreo cookie carvings that we've done on the channel. Here you can see King Boo, and that is one of my favorites because, as you guys may know, King Boo is one of my favorite Nintendo characters. Previously we were working through a Star Wars series, which I will go back to if you guys want. Let me know down there in the comment section. But here we got Darth Vader, you can see Boba Fett here as well. And we have Chewbacca. I'll leave a card so you guys can check that out and then let me know which of those is your favorite. Today though, we're gonna work through some Nintendo art, and to do so, we're gonna have to open this brand new box of Oreo cookies, which is quite exciting. So it is a family size, so we definitely have some work to do if we wanna carve our way through each of these cookies. So I'm gonna open this up like so. Wow. Okay, look at all these cookies. I wonder how many Oreos are actually in here. I'm gonna take this one aside just for a moment, and we're gonna have to accomplish probably what might be one of the hardest, most challenging parts of this whole video, is cracking the cookie without ruining the cream in the middle. And to do so, I just sort of shift the cookies on the top and bottom a little bit, like so, back and forth, being really careful. And then eventually giving it a little lift, and we'll see. Hey, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. For a first cookie crack, that doesn't happen very often. So that's exciting. So that leaves like another 50 cookies that we can carve on the channel. Leave me some suggestions down below. Let me know what you'd like to see in the future. We're about to begin carving this into Shy Guy though, and we're gonna start that right now. Cookie carving of Shy Guy is finished. Guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. I'm also going to leave a card up here, so let me know which character you'd like to see next. This drawing of Shy Guy is part of an ongoing series. Previously we did the inverted drawing of Shy Guy. Today we did the Oreo cookie of Shy Guy. Let me know how we should draw him next. All of my artwork and prints are for sale at my store, so I'll leave a link to that. My name is Kitslams. I post a variety of fun and creative art content here on YouTube. Subscribe for weekly videos, and I'll see you in the next one.